Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you a partial fix for Mac OS Tahoe audio in Hackintosh. As you might already know, Apple removed Apple HDA in Mac OS Tahoe, so Apple ALC no longer works, and you will see no output devices for your speaker. HDMI audio works however. To get started, we will need some changes on our EFI folder. Change CSR active config to 03080000. Add AMFI pass kex to your kernel. Now restart your PC and come back. After restarting your PC, search for voodooHDA Tahoe and download from Chris1111 link on GitHub. From downloaded folder, run package command. Every time Gatekeeper blocks it, open it from Settings, Privacy, and Security. After this process completed, you will see a new package is generated. Open the package and install it normally as any application. Now check your EFI folder and disable Apple ALC if it's enabled, or just remove it. Now restart your PC and check if your audio is working. This process is partial, so it might not work for your PC. If it doesn't, then create an issue on the GitHub page. Thanks for watching.